how to multiply decimals. How do we multiply decimals? So, like for example, we have 2 and 69 hundredths times 15, or it might be 26 hundredths times 14 hundredths. Before we proceed in multiplying decimals, let us have a short review about multiplication of whole numbers, because we can use this in the process of multiplying decimals. So multiplying whole numbers, this is just a review. Let us have a review first before we proceed to our topic. So like for example, we have 438 times 45. So 438, this is our multiplicand, and 45 is our multiplier. So multiplicand is a number that can be multiplied, while multiplier is the one that multiplies all the digits of multiplicand. Multiplicand and multiplier, they are also called as factors. So they are factors, but they have their functions, but they are called as factors. So first is we have to multiply the digits of multiplicand by multiplier, but we have to start with the rightmost digit. So the rightmost digit of our multiplier is 5. So let us multiply 5 to all the digits of the multiplicand. So 5 times 8 is 40. Then bring down 0, carry 4. So 5 times 3 is 15, then plus 4 is 19. So bring down 9 and carry 1. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. So we have to write 21. 2,190 is our partial product. And then, again, the next digit is 4. So we have to multiply 4 to all the digits of multiplicand. So 4 times 8 is 32. Bring down to carry 3. Yan, saan natin ilagay ang 3? Sa taas din ng 3. Bakit dyan natin ilagay? Kasi nga, ang susunod na digit na imumultiply natin is this digit, itong 3 na ito. So 4 times 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15. So bring down 5 here, and then carry 1. Ayan, sa taas. Then 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. So 2,190 and 1,752, they are the partial products. So ano nga gawin natin so that we can get the final products? We have to add these partial products. So 2,190 plus 1,752. Bring down 0. Then 9 plus 2 is 11. Bring down 1. Carry 1. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 5 is 7. Then 2 plus 7 is 9. Then bring down 1. So our answer is 19,710. This is what we called a product. I know na ito ay review na lang sa inyo. So ginawa pa rin natin ito para ma-refresh at para alam ninyo kung ano talaga ang tamang process ng multiplication. Okay, so let's proceed to multiplication of decimal numbers. So how do we multiply decimals? So sabi ko nga, example natin is the decimal number and a whole number. So like for example, we have 2 and 69 hundredths times 15. 2 and 69 hundredths, ito yung tinatawag na decimal or mixed decimal times 15, our whole number. Dito naman sa kabila is the decimal number, ang whole number part niya ay walang zero, ang decimal part is mayroon, the 26 hundredths times another decimal number which is 14 hundredths. So first, ano ba yung mga steps? Kailangan, we have to follow the steps in multiplying decimal number. So first step or step 1, we have to multiply as in whole number. Okay, so 2 and 69 hundredths times 15. So decimal by whole number. So our multiplicand is, again, is a decimal number at ating multiplier is a whole number. Yan, so 9 times 5 is 45. Then bring down 5, carry 4. So 5 times 6 is 30, plus 4 is 34. So bring down 4, carry 3. Then 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13. So this is our partial product. Next is 1 times 9 is 9. So ito na yung napapansin ninyo. Ba't hindi siya naka-align? Ba't hindi naka-align? Ang una kasing ginawa natin is the first digit, yung rightmost digit ng multiplier, which is 5. So, 5 times 9, kung mapansin ninyo, ito ay 45. Nilagay natin ang 5 under or below the digit. Kailangan naka-align siya below the digit. So, doon, since ito yung 5, sa baba din ang 45. Bring down 5 and then 4. Then, sunod na kaagad, 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. So, sunod kaagad siya, 4, then carry 3. Bakit doon natin nilagay ang 3? Kasi nga, ang sunod na digit na i-multiply natin is yung 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13. So, next naman is the second digit. Second digit is 1. So, 1 times 9 is 9. Take note, i-align natin ang sagot sa baba. So, since na ito yung 1, i-align natin sa baba na yung 9. So, yan ang dahilan kung bakit hindi siya naka-align ang 5 at saka ang 9. Next, 1 times 6 is 6. Yan. Then 1 times 2 is 2. And then, so ito yung tinatawag nating partial products. These are the partial products. So anong gagawin natin so that we can get the final product? We have to add the partial product. So 1,345 plus 269. Okay, bring down 5. 4 plus 9 is 13. Bring down 3 and then carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 6 is 10. Bring down 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, pangalawang step, we have to count the number of decimal places in both factors. Bibilangin natin. So, as you can see here, nakikita nyo ito, ang ating multiplicand ay meron siyang 2 decimal place. Ang bibilangin natin pag sinasabing decimal places, yung digits or the number of digits doon sa rightmost part ng decimal point. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng digits under ng decimal part. Lahat ng digits under ng decimal part. So, hindi kasama, not included, ang whole number part. Kasi ang decimal ay meron tayong whole number part, mayroong decimal point, at saka mayroong decimal part. So, itong 2 and 6900ths, ang ating decimal part, ang digits ng decimal part ay 6 and 9. So, ito yung digits. So, ilang piraso, ilang digit? Dalawa. 6 and 9. That's why 2 and 6900ths has 2 decimal places. Next is 15, the multiplier. 15 is a whole number. So, kung ilalagay talaga natin yan, dito natin ilagay ang point, 15 point, then ang decimal part natin is 0. So, whole number siya. Ibig sabihin, ang decimal place niya ay wala. 0. So, 0 decimal place. Next, 2 plus 0. So, 2 plus 0 equals 2. Ibig sabihin, yung total number of decimal places in both factors is 2. Now, let's proceed to step 3. Ano ba yung step 3? Place the decimal point in the product. So, yung decimal point na nakuha natin sa lahat ng factors doon sa multiplicand and multiplier, bibilangin natin lahat at yun din ang ilalagay natin sa product. Sabi nga, the number of decimal places in the product should be equal to the number of decimal places in both factors. Dapat pareho. So, like for example, ang ating ating factors ay there are 2 decimal places. So therefore, ang ating product has also 2 decimal places. So paano bibilangin? Magsimula tayo sa pinaka kanan, rightmost. Let's start with the rightmost side. So ito, bilang tayo ng isang digit, 1 and then 2. So dito natin ilagay sa between 0 and 3. Kung mapansin ninyo, ang ating decimal places sa product ay 2 decimal places, just like our factors. So, bakit? Kasi ang total ng dalawa, itong isa ay 2 decimal places, ang isa ay 0 decimal place, the total is 2. Kaya ang ating product ay 2 decimal places din. Okay, so 40 and 35 hundredths. Next example. First factor is 26 hundredths times the second factor is 14 hundredths. So, kung mapapansin natin, 6 times 4 is 24. So, bring down 4, carry 2. And then 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Bring down 0, carry 1. And then 4 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Then 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 2 is 2. And 1 times 0 is 0. Okay. So, plus natin, we have 4, we have 6, we have 3, and then we have 0. Right. So, bibilangin na natin ang decimal places. First factor has 2 decimal places. Itong 26, ang digit ay 2 and 6. So, 2 decimal places. Another factor has also 2 decimal places din, yung 1 and 4, 2 digits. So, 2 decimal places. 2 plus 2 is 4. The total number of decimal places in both factors, itong dalawang factors na ito, ay 4. Therefore, ang decimal places ng ating product ay 4 din siya. So, dapat 4 decimal places. So, bilang tayo, start dito sa 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, dito natin ilagay. Ulitin ko, start with the rightmost side. Bilang tayo, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, dito natin ilalagay ang decimal point. And then, syempre, ang ating whole number part ay lalagyan natin ng 0. Ayan. So, the answer is 364 ten thousands. Ulitin ko, 364 ten thousands. So, this is our final answer.